Your life will never change until you make up your mind and say, enough is enough.
We have arrived. We are living in the light. From the break to the boy, I will shine.
Hi, friends. Welcome to another episode of Becoming Z. You can call me Zanele or Tandegile. In our today's podcast, we are talking about something very important and something that we overlook, but it's very important because it is running our life, our mind. In this journey, as we are becoming, we cannot become who God has created us to be until we make up our mind that we really need to change. So on today's episode, I thought let us talk about how do we become if our mind are still the same. If you still thinking the same way as you were thinking yesterday or the same way as you were thinking last year and you are thinking that you're going to change. So this is what is actually happening. For years, I've prayed for transformation. I've prayed for God to change my life. I've prayed that, Lord, I want something different in my life. But there was one thing that I was not doing. I was not changing my mind about becoming. So, as I started this journey, I said, let me change my mind. What do I actually want to see happening in my life? And then I started seeing the Zanele that I want to see in the future right now. So the way I was thinking, it changed to become the Zanele that I wanted to become. I changed the way I look at things. I changed what I am listening to. I listened to the things that are building my life to become who God has created me to be. I chose to read the books, not just, people will be like, I read a lot of books in my life. Maybe, a month I make sure that I read 3 books. But what are those books all about? Are they just romance novels? They just fiction? Or are they books that are actually helping you to become who God has intended you to be? Because I cannot say I want to see my finances changing, but I am reading about depression. Yes, it is good to read about depression, but if I want my finances to change, I need to read something that will help my finances to change. So let us be intentional as we are changing our mind. Let us change our mind and doing things that are actually propelling us to where God has called us to be. So what do you do when you want to actually change your mind? It starts by what you are actually feeding it. What are you feeding your mind? If you're feeding your mind negativity all the time, that's what you're going to produce, because your mind is like a garden. Whatever that you plant in that garden, definitely it's going to come out. You cannot plant oranges and you get avocados. Whatever that you planting, it definitely going to come out. So if you say you want to change your life, start in your mind. Change your mind. Be intentional about what you put in your mind, the songs that you are listening to, the people that you are listening to, people that are around you, and are they helping you to become who God has created you to be, or they actually taking you back. You change your mind by making sure that you feed it the right things. You feed it the word of God. What does God say about your life? What does God say about you becoming what he has created you to be? You read the books from people that have gone through the journey of becoming. You listen to podcasts that are helping you to become. These days I am listening so much to the podcast that talks about finances because I want my finances to change. I am listening so much to podcasts that are talking about business because I want my business to elevate. I am learning AI so much because I want to have AI helping me to become the woman that I want to be when it comes to my business, when it comes to ideas, when it comes to how do I write things, how do I write, my vision and things like that. So in order for you to change, your mind has to change first before you can change. When there's somebody maybe that is addicted to alcohol, and then people will be like, you know what, we are taking them to rehab. We want them to change. Until they make up their mind and say, I want to change, they won't change. No matter what you can do, they can drink today and cry and say, you know what, this is my last day. I am not going to drink anymore. And, I promise you, please pray for me. I'm not going to change. I'm not going to drink anymore. The following day, when everything is fine, they have forgotten that they've been crying yesterday. They go back to it. Until they tell themselves, they change their mind and say, enough is enough. I cannot do this anymore. That's the only time they're going to change. So even for you to become who you want to be, it's in you. It's about you changing your mind and looking at your environment. You're like, no way. This is not what I was built to be in this life. I want something different. Then you start working on yourself as you are becoming different. It starts with your mind. With me, drinking water, it was not because I really love water, but it started in my mind. I'm like, you know what? I want my face to clear because, I've been having acne like so much. And I'm like, I want my life to change. And I started drinking water, not because it was nice, but because I made up my mind that I'm going to drink water. I'm going to take a walk. I'm going to, eat healthy. I'm going to really take care of myself. It all became my journey because it started with me. So even for you, if you want to change your life, it starts with you. It starts in your mind. Change your mind. Be in the environment where you say, you know what, enough is enough. I am tired of this. So let's change our mind to become who God has created us to be. Let us be intentional about changing our mind to become who God has created us to be, to become our better us. One day you want to look at yourself and be like, I really worked on myself, and be grateful for life. Be grateful for that. And, it is so nice to see yourself every day looking forward to become the person that God has called you to be. Let us change our mind. I would love to hear from you on the comment section. What can you do to change your life? Or what are you working on to change your life to become who God has created you to be? Or if you say, you know what, I am tired of living this life, but you are tired. What are you doing? Please tell me on the comment section. And then also give us advices. What else can we do to actually change our mind to become who God has created us to be? I would love to hear, where are you in your journey? You can comment on the comment section and just say, I'm in a journey where I am trying to lose weight. I'm in a journey where I'm trying to get a clear skin. Say anything that will help us to know where you are, and then also how are you becoming. And then your comment can help me, can help another person. So please comment, please like, please subscribe, and also please share this video with somebody that you think they might love to hear this kind of message. And it would be so nice to hear from you, and it will help us to actually grow this page as we help one another to become who God has created us to be. Thank you so much for listening. Until this time, this is your girl Z. I love you so much.